Hello, and welcome to I Can Work by Therapro. I'm Angie Mahoney, author of I Can Work. Today's topic is all about vocationally related vocabulary. I want to show you a few ways you can reinforce those important vocabulary words taught in each of the modules. Each module found in the I Can Work program comes with a word wall. These word walls have 8 to 10 words, all related to lessons and activities worked on throughout the module. This is an example of Module 1 job readiness words. These words are examples of words found in a variety of workplaces, such as signing in and out, supervisor, and coworker. These are words that are new to many individuals and need to be reinforced over time. One unique way you can reinforce these words is to create a memory game. By taking the word wall and copying it twice, you can then take the images and place them onto cards like these. Make multiple copies of the cards and place them face down. Partner up students or work one-on-one with an individual if it's a time to take some data collection, and see if they can reinforce and read the words that they find. Have each student flip over to, have them look at the pictures, really describe what they see, practice reading the word, think about where they would see that word, and if it's a match, they keep the pair, and if not, they continue going. Again, this is a really neat way to create hands-on learning, turn-taking skills, as well as practice opportunities for seeing and observing, as well as saying all of these vocationally related vocabulary words. By seeing and saying these words, it creates a greater foundation for success, as well as alleviates some anxiety related to work practice. When the students go off campus, now they've had an opportunity to read, see, and understand words such as coworker, supervisor, time card, as well as the concepts of signing in and out. Another way you can practice vocabulary words is to take, again, the word wall with the images, place the images on different envelopes. Then create a stack of more of those images and place them into a task box. In this bin, you will then have different envelopes and images where students will come and match the envelopes with the images. This reinforces understanding of the word, seeing it, as well as one-to-one correspondence. Task boxes also really help build those workplace skills such as work readiness, independence, as well as asking for help or more work materials. If you're working with individuals who do not need the picture-supported version, you can then create text versions. Take the same text words, you can create cards to do memory, have the students practice using them in a sentence, writing about where they see those words, talk about where would these words be used and in what ways. Really build the discussion while playing the engaging game and take that learning further. Additionally, you can put the words onto envelopes and create a task box that also is just text related for individuals to practice recognizing and reading the different words. So as you can see, these are just a few examples of ways you can reinforce the range of vocabulary words that you are teaching and introducing in a variety of modules throughout the program. Remember that every little bit counts on the path to successful employment. Please be sure to follow me on Facebook at I Can Work Therapro, and you will have weekly updates related to all the different tasks that are done in different classrooms around the world. Thank you for all you do.